Hi guys, this is Nader. Today we will learn about converting fraction, percent, and decimal. Okay, let's start to decimal to fraction. So decimal to fraction, all you have to do is read the decimal correctly and simplify the fraction. For example, right here we have 0.23. First, read the decimal. Okay, so we read 2 as tenths and 3 as hundredths. If we combine them, we read this as 23 hundredths. Or in fraction, we write this as 23 over 100. Remember that in decimal, we don't start reading from ones, but instead we start from tenths. Another example is 0.14. This one we read it as 14 hundredths, so 14 over 100, or 7 over 50, because 14 and 100 is divisible by 2, so we reduce the fraction to lowest term. Unlike to 23 hundredths, 23 is not divisible by 2, so we can transform it to lowest term. Another one is 0.123. The first number is tenths, the second one is hundredths, and the third one is thousands. Therefore, we have 123 over 1000. Last example is 0.1111. So this is 1111 over the next to 1000 is 10,000. Therefore, we have 10,000 below. Okay, let's now tackle decimal to percent. Decimal to percent, move the decimal point 2 places to the right, then put percent symbol. For example, we have here 1.267. Move the decimal point 2 places to the right, then put percent symbol. Therefore, we have this answer, which is 126.7%. Next example is 12.361. Again, move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So we have 1236.1%. So how about percent to decimal? So for example, we have 4%. All you have to do is put an imaginary decimal point and move the decimal point 2 places back to left. Then add some 0. Therefore, we have the answer 0.04 decimal. Let's proceed to fraction to decimal. For example, we have 1 half. And everybody knows that this is equal to 0.5. And 1/4 is equal to 0.25. Some of you knows this, but for the sake of the beginners, I will show how did we take 0.5. It is actually very simple, so we have divide 1 divided by 2. Okay, this is the solution, and majority of us knows how to divide, right? So this is how we get 0.5. And also this is the same process to 1/4. So this is the process of how we get 0.25. Let's now tackle the fraction to percent. Okay, based to our example just right now, so 1 half is equal to 0.5. So how do we convert 1 half to percent? So now we have 0.5. Just like what I said earlier or recently, we have to move the decimal point 2 places to the right, which we get 0. We have 50 and add percent symbol. So 50% is 1 half. And 1/4, which is equal to 0.25. We have to move again the decimal point to the right, so that we get 25%. So 1/4 is equal to 25%. And that is our lesson for today, and thanks for watching.